In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group layers in Figma. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to keep related elements together so they move, scale, and align as a single unit. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, go to the file you're working on and open the specific page where your design lives. If you're working across multiple pages, double-check you're on the correct one before you continue, so you're grouping the right elements. Next, make sure your design is ready. In this context, ready means you've laid out the shapes, text, icons, or images you want to keep together. Think of a button made of a rectangle and a text label, or a card that includes a background, an image, and some copy. If any element still needs adjustments, like nudging it into position or finalizing its size, do that now, so your group captures the correct arrangement. Now it's time to highlight everything you want to group. You can click and drag a selection box around the items on the canvas to scoop them up at once. If your layout is busy, try selecting from the Layers panel. Hold Shift and click the layers you want to include. You can also add or remove items from your selection by holding Shift and clicking directly on the canvas. If something won't select, it might be locked. Unlock it in the Layers panel first. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected only what you need and nothing extra. With the correct layers highlighted, right-click anywhere on the selection. From the menu that appears, choose Group Selection. Instantly, Figma wraps those layers into a group. You'll see a new group entry in the Layers panel, and on the canvas, a single bounding box will surround all the included elements. From now on, when you move, scale, or align, the entire group behaves as one, saving you from accidentally misaligning pieces. A couple of tips as you work. Grouping doesn't merge or flatten your layers. It simply organizes them under a parent group, so you can still dive in and edit individual items anytime. If you prefer to move quickly, you can use the keyboard shortcut for grouping, but the right-click method is clear and consistent, especially when you're getting started. That's all there is to it. Open your file, make sure your design elements are ready, highlight the ones you want together, then right-click and select Group Selection. With this approach, your designs stay tidy, consistent, and easy to manage as they grow.